Very smooth.
Hey beauties, yeah, I know I look a hot mess, but watch me transform, honey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be getting myself together because, y'all, I look a hot mess, but not for long because your girl is going to be looking cute in a little bit. Right now, I'm about to get ready to wash my hair. I am about to just take some warm water that's in my water bottle. And I am going to detangle my hair. Alright y'all, so this is my hair detangled and put in twist. Wash my hair really good and yeah, and get to blow drying it. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I did shave my legs and this is what I used. This is bomb. This is the Nair leg mask. It smelled better than the regular Nair. If y'all know, regular Nair
stinks.
Hey, it stinks. So I use this and it's actually very moisturizing. Y'all, my legs are very smooth.
Very smooth.
So I just want to come on here and tell y'all that I'm about to do some work, see my phone ringing, and then I'm about to get on the road. So I did get my nails done as well, and I also have a vlog, so if you want to watch the full vlog, I'll have it in the cards. So yeah, keep on watching. So I am back and I'm about to do my eyebrows, just shape them up a little bit. I was going to get them threaded, but I'm just going to wait because I really don't have that much, so I'm going to try to do it myself. I don't want to mess up nothing, you know, mess up a shape. I think that's all because I'm going to do my makeup with y'all, so. So I think I did pretty good. So now we're about to get on to the makeup. Alright, so I'm about to start priming my face. I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. I'm not going to be telling everything that I use because I'm going to fast forward a little bit, but this is basically just what I wear whenever I put on makeup. It's nothing too special, just a little light beat. So if you want to see what I do when I explain all the products, then there is a video. I'll link it up in the cards for you, so enjoy the video. so this is the full look. Let me back up so you can see the outfit. It's the back. Nice blue jean dress. I got this dress actually from Ross. So yeah, and then I got on some Fashionnova clear heels. I don't know if y'all can see. Fashionnova clear heels, and a watch that I got from the mall, some earrings, and my jewelry from Nimi Glow. I gotta put my rings on. So this is my necklace from Nimi Glow, and here are my rings from Nimi Glow. So yes, I love these pieces from Nimi Glow. This is the dress. So yes, so thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, beauties.